Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Kristen. I am doing an unedited get ready with me just for my eyes because I'm going to work and it's raining. But I chose this palette with the palette bingo. So this is my newest palette bingo. Basically I choose 1 through 12 for my shelves, and then I choose 1 through however many palettes are on the shelf. And I end up with this Beauty Bay Sunset Horizons palette. Probably not what I would have chosen for myself for going to work, but I do have some neutrals down here I can work with. I think, however, I'm going to play with the blues, but do it very lightly. So yes, that's what I'm doing. I had a week off work. It was very nice. I will say that. Yeah, I'm going to work with this row. There we go. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, first I'm going to take Thunder, and I'm going to put that on the outer edges. See how that works out. But yeah, so I'm going to work today. It's raining. Kind of sucks. But what can you do? Part of the road is closed off too due to construction, of course. If you've been following my channel, you know that they are doing construction. They're actually building a railroad station across from me. It sucks. But yeah, I'm just going to try and blend this, blow it out, I guess. Apparently one of my coworkers caught COVID last trip. So it's a good thing that I didn't work last trip. One of my other coworkers though says he doesn't have it and he's coming to work, and I'm kind of like, we're very much in close proximity to each other, like all the time, so kind of mad at that, just a wee bit. You know what I mean? Just a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. You know, no one wears masks anymore. There's very few people that wear masks, and I don't know what to say about it. I'm not wearing it either because your mask keeps your germs to yourself. Like, that's how that works. It's not really gonna stop you from getting it if the majority of people are not, you know what I mean, are not wearing their masks. So it is what it is, I guess. But luckily I stay behind like an acrylic partition when I'm at work, so that's a plus for me. Alright, it's blue, but it's like, it's there. I'm just using like fluffier brushes too. Alright, now we'll go for that lighter one. So the first one was Thunder, this one is Deep. I think I should have reversed those colors anyways. So I've never actually used this palette before. This is my first time. Kinda dusty, I will say. Yeah, so how's everyone doing? Let me know down below. What do you think of my new channel if you've been here since, you know, if you came over from my other channel, basically. You know, this is makeup only. The other one started as makeup. I posted wrestling stuff on there, and now my channel is known for wrestling, not makeup. So I'm basically gonna post makeup, wrestling, basically anything else I feel like over there on my other channel. And that's how that's gonna work. Okay. Got a smaller brush here. I'm gonna take this bikini color. It's like a lavender, lilac-y type color. And I don't really care about the brushes as long as they work, so that's all I'm gonna say. And this is a super fast type of eye look too. Because basically I'm going to be taking it off. I'm not even going to be working like a whole lot. The first day is not very long technically. Selling anything. I'm only selling stuff for like an hour and a half tops. And then I close, and then I reopen in the morning. So that doesn't even look like there's much on my skin. Yeah, happens. Alright, and then I'm going to go into one of the shimmers. I'm gonna go into a shimmer, and let's see, Oasis. I'm gonna take Oasis. And I'm not going to spray it. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to do glitter primer because I just basically want to see how it works dry. And like, you can barely see it when my eyes are open. It's a pretty color though, for sure. Goes on nicely. Yeah, so I had taken a video of me like using the random number generator. I just basically use Google. I just type random number generator and it brings up Google's own one, and you just do it right on their page. So it works out beautifully. No extra apps, no specific website needed, just Google. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty. Alright, I'm going to save that, but I'm going to go back in with this other little brush, and I'm just going to dip a little bit into black really fast. One little dip. Just darken up that outer corner just a wee bit. I didn't want to make this video too long either, because like I said, it's unedited. Get ready with me. Yeah, I fully expect to be super tired because we're also going all the way to Boston again. So fun times there. We were only going to Albany, New York because of track work. All right. A little bit of black. All right, there we go. And then I'm gonna go into the yellow and use that for my inner corner. Wipe my brush off here. We're at 7 minutes 33 seconds so far. I had already done my brows, so that was good. Although it didn't take much, I actually used the brown from this palette called Canyon. Alright, and as you can see, I didn't do any cuts or anything. There we go. 8 minutes. There we go. I was at the 8-minute mark. Okay, I'll be right back. I did forget to add a little bit of sparkle on my brow bones there. And I put some eyeliner on. No wings though. Alright, now I'm just putting some mascara on. I have super hooded eyes, so I did curl my lashes. It's not really gonna matter. Honestly, whatever. And the rain might get me anyways. I didn't do any other part of my face because again, my actual customers aren't going to see me for long, so whatever. Okay. There we go. And I'm not going to wear eyelashes either. Now I'm going to bring a full set of makeup with me because my third day, I'll be at the hotel in the morning, so I will have time to do my makeup as long as I wake up with enough time. So there we go. So quick and, I don't want to say dirty, but like quick and easy makeup. I mean, you know, it is what it is, but fast. Shows you don't have to take forever on your eye makeup. You can if you want. Absolutely nothing wrong with that, of course. But yeah, so Beauty Bay Sunset Horizon. So I'm going to take this to work with me as well, and this is what I'm going to use, and I'm finally going to be able to try it out. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget I am on Discord. I have a Discord server, so if you want to join me there, link will be down below. If you want to subscribe to my bigger channel where I post everything, makeup, wrestling, vlogs, stuff like that, I would love to have you over there as well. So anyways, I love you all. I'll talk to you later. Bye!